Look and stay 10 years younger starting today. Last month at her high school reunion, my friend Mary went to dinner with her former lab partner Sarah. Both are 45. The young server in the restaurant automatically handed Mary the senior menu, while giving Sarah the regular one. That moment of age assumption still haunts Mary. Hello, this is Jenny. So why was Mary perceived as older than her classmate? Today we're going to uncover the underlying factors and explore effective strategies to defy age stereotypes and radiate timeless elegance. Perception of age, how others judge you in seconds. The gap between Mary and Sarah wasn't genetics or luck. Research shows that people subconsciously assess age within the first few seconds of meeting someone, using specific visual and behavioral cues that dramatically shape how they're treated in social and professional settings. While your birth certificate shows one number, your biological age might be telling a completely different story. Here's what was aging Mary faster than her years. Facial features. Your face reveals the most immediate age clues. Wrinkles, fine lines, under-eye bags, sagging skin, and dullness are direct results of cellular repair breakdown and collapsed collagen production. These changes signal biological aging, chronic fatigue, and depleted energy reserves, making others automatically assume you're older and more fragile than you actually are. Hair signals. Thinning hair, premature graying, and outdated hairstyles often stem from nutritional deficiencies that affect hair follicle health. Hair loss or lackluster texture immediately adds years to your perceived age, regardless of your actual vitality. Posture impact. Forward head posture, rounded shoulders, and a hunched back, often from desk work or health conditions, instantly aged Mary's silhouette by a decade. Poor posture signals weakness and frailty, leading others to treat you as if you need extra care or assistance. Energy level. Slow, hesitant movements and low energy create an immediate impression of aging. Nutritional deficiencies, lack of confidence, and poor habits contribute to fragile vitality that others interpret as advanced age. Lifestyle tells. Outdated clothing styles, poor grooming habits, and even old-fashioned language choices provide subconscious cues that you're stuck in a previous era. Understanding these age perception factors reveals why managing these cues is crucial for presenting a youthful, vibrant image that matches your true energy and capabilities. Instant age reversers. The good news is that you can start looking years younger instantly with simple adjustments and basic techniques. These immediate transformations create dramatic visual impact within minutes. Face lifting tricks. Start by thoroughly cleansing your face, then use your fingertips to perform gentle upward strokes from your jawline to your temples, followed by movements from the corners of your mouth up toward your ears. For enhanced results, use a quality facial essence like Nu Skin TruFace Essence Ulltra during this massage for immediate visible lifting effects. This 2-minute technique increases blood circulation, reduces puffiness, and creates an instant tightening sensation. Follow with a moisturizer to lock in hydration. The increased blood flow brings natural color back to your face, creating a radiant complexion that makes you appear more vibrant and awake overall. Hair volume hack. Flip your head upside down and gently tease the hair at your crown, or run your fingers through your roots while inverted. This creates instant volume that lifts your features and adds youthful bounce. Even 5 minutes of air drying in this position can transform flat, aging hair into a more dynamic silhouette. Schedule a fresh haircut to eliminate dry, dull, split ends. A shorter hairstyle with layers reduces weight and usually projects a younger, revitalized look that frames your face more flatteringly. Posture power. Right now, pull your shoulders back, lift your chest, and imagine a string pulling the top of your head toward the ceiling. Engage your core by gently pulling your abdominal muscles in and holding them firm to create a strong foundation that supports your entire posture. This single adjustment signals strength, confidence, and vitality, instantly subtracting 5 to 10 years from your appearance. Stand against a wall with your back flat and hold this position for 30 seconds several times daily until proper posture becomes natural. Energy, body language, walk with purpose. Take slightly longer strides. Keep your head up and move with deliberate confidence. Lift your feet properly with each step and never drag them on the ground. Practice sitting up straight and gesturing with open palms rather than closed fists. Make eye contact when speaking and smile genuinely. These body language adjustments signal vitality and energy. Strategic styling. Examine your closet for colors that bring glowing reflection and radiance to your face, whether in clothing, scarves, or accessories. Generally, soft pastels, warm neutrals, and bright blues are more flattering as we age, while harsh black or overly muted colors can wash you out and add years. Choose accessories and a bag that's proportional to your body size. Avoid oversized and heavy bags that overwhelm your frame and weigh you down. Sustainable Youth Foundation. These instant changes create noticeable improvements immediately. However, the harsh reality is that without addressing the underlying factors, these surface improvements fade just as quickly as they appear. Poor posture returns because weak muscles can't maintain alignment. Skin dullness creeps back because dehydrated cells can't hold that healthy glow. Energy drops because nutritionally depleted systems can't sustain vitality. Lasting transformation requires building a strong foundation from within through lifestyle habits, advanced skincare treatments, and optimal nutrition. The key is supporting your body's natural regeneration systems through coordinated internal and external care, making them daily routines that compounds results over time. External care. Your skin is your body's largest organ, and every inch tells the story of years lived. From face and neck to hands and body, aging shows up as lost elasticity, dark spots, dullness, and dryness, all results of collagen breakdown and oxidative damage. A complete skincare routine should include essential functions at least twice daily. Gentle cleansers that remove impurities without stripping skin. Regular exfoliation to remove dead cells. Antioxidant serums like vitamin C for protection and brightening. Targeted treatments for lifting support and collagen stimulation. Deep moisturizers to maintain skin barrier function. Professional products containing proven active ingredients like hyaluronic acid, peptides, retinoids, and growth factors work at the cellular level to stimulate collagen production, accelerate cell turnover, and repair existing damage. With the help of advanced skincare devices and professional tools, these potent formulations penetrate deeper into skin layers to accelerate rejuvenation, stimulate collagen production, and restore youthful elasticity more effectively than topical application alone. Nothing accelerates skin aging more than UV exposure, causing premature wrinkles, pigmentation, sunspots, and sagging. Practice consistent sun protection with broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher daily, reapplying every 2 to 3 hours outdoors. Wear protective clothing, sunglasses, and seek shade during peak hours to prevent cumulative damage. Internal nutrition. Nutrient deficiency accelerates aging more than most people realize. Your body has incredible ability to repair and rebuild itself, but it needs the right raw materials delivered consistently through both diet and targeted supplementation. Fuel your body with nutrient-dense foods daily. Healthy fats such as omega-3 fatty acids from salmon, flaxseed, and walnuts fight inflammation and promote skin repair. Antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables like berries, spinach, and green tea combat free radicals. Lean protein supports collagen production. Whole grains provide sustained energy for cellular processes. Avoid aging accelerators. High sugar intake causes glycation that damages collagen structures, creating skin dullness and puffiness. Smoking severely restricts blood flow and depletes oxygen, breaking down collagen and leading to dull, sagging skin. Quitting is the single best step for your skin. Alcohol dehydrates skin and causes systemic inflammation, so keep consumption moderate and always rehydrate. Proper hydration helps every anti-aging process, from nutrient delivery to toxin removal and skin suppleness. Aim for 2 liters of water daily. Include hydrating foods like cucumber and watermelon, and limit dehydrating beverages like alcohol and sugary drinks. Quality supplements bridge nutritional gaps with ingredients like collagen peptides, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids that fuel cellular repair. Specialized compounds like resveratrol and CoQ10 protect against cellular damage, while B vitamins support energy production. A comprehensive supplement provides balanced essential vitamins, minerals, and trace elements for optimal cellular function, creating increased collagen production, improved hydration, heightened energy levels, better sleep quality, healthy hair growth, and overall vitality that radiates from within. Lifestyle habits. Your appearance is the accumulated outcome of continuous practices performed day after day. These lifestyle shifts can make you look noticeably younger within months. Quality sleep is when your body performs its most intensive regeneration work. During deep sleep, growth hormone production peaks, cellular repair accelerates, and collagen synthesis reaches maximum efficiency. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep. Support natural sleep cycles with consistent bedtimes, cool dark environments, and proper nighttime routines. Sleep on your back to prevent compression wrinkles, and use silk pillowcases to prevent skin and hair tugging. Regular exercise improves circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your skin, while maintaining youthful energy and muscle mass. Cardiovascular exercise such such as cycling, swimming, and jumping jacks for circulation and toxin removal. Strength training, like resistance training or bodyweight squats, to build muscle foundation for youthful posture. Flexibility workouts, like yoga, tai chi, and stretching, to preserve joint mobility and reduce stress. Even 20 to 30 minutes of daily movement creates internal vitality that shows externally. Manage stress to combat the aging effects of chronic stress, which increases cortisol, degrades collagen, disrupts sleep, and triggers inflammation throughout your body. Cultivate techniques like mindfulness, meditation, and deep breathing exercises. Set aside digital-free time and limit blue light exposure at night to regulate circadian rhythms. Embrace positivity, practice gratitude, and pursue joyful hobbies. People who radiate confidence often appear younger, regardless of age. Staying youthful isn't about chasing perfection, it's about making smart, sustainable choices daily. Small, consistent actions with quality internal and external products, plus proper lifestyle habits, create exponential results over time, turning anti-aging from a daily battle into automatic lifestyle maintenance. This is how you create lasting age reversal rather than temporary fixes. Looking and staying young is a choice, and I choose young. This is what this channel is about. Please subscribe, like, and share to receive more updates on health and anti-aging. Thank you for watching. Bye for now, and see you again soon.